Hey guys, Preston here from Bluebird Packaging. We specialize in custom printed packaging for your brand. You're watching this because you own a business or manage a business and you're in need of custom printed packaging for your products. This is a box that we just cut. It's a full print. It's got a gloss finish, opens from the top, has a PVC window for people to look in and see the product inside. We have different shapes and different sizes. If you already have branded packaging that you love using for your company already, good. Hit the Learn More button, reach out to us, and we're going to take what you already love for your company and we're going to save you more money by working with us. And if you don't have branded packaging for your company just yet, hit the Learn More button. We're going to show you more options, and we have an amazing team that's going to help you create great looking, exciting packaging for your company that you're absolutely going to love. And more importantly, it's going to give you that professional finished look that your customers are going to be excited about.